G'day, down here at the Amazon Connect Independent User Group Forum, and this is number 2 for us here in APAC.
It is indeed, yes. Yeah, another good day, I think. Lots of conversations, lots of topics of discussion. So yeah, really pleased.
This is your first event.
Yes, it is, yeah.
How'd you find it?
Fantastic. Obviously, a big learning curve for us as we're starting our journey on the pathway to Amazon. So, yeah, it's been a big eye-opener, I would say.
Second one.
It
You've been
is.
at both. We are veterans.
Yes, we're experienced veterans of this experience.
So comparing the one we had in February, March?
I think it was.
How did this one go?
Well, you know, it's really cool to see, to be here at the back of the reInvent. A lot of great announcements around Amazon Connect and the capabilities and the features, and just to hear users talk about how they're thinking about these new feature releases, and a lot of exciting developments to talk about and digest.
Oh, it was a great day. I learnt a lot of things I didn't know about AWS, a lot of things I didn't know about Operata. And so
First one?
first one for me.
Awesome.
It was such a great day to be able to talk to a whole lot of people that are in the room that are really trying to solve the same problem. So when you're trying to get your message out there, sometimes, you know, you're sort of spreading it out to the wind a little bit. But today it was actually getting your message through to the right group of people that are trying to solve your problems.
Was it useful being able to get around other users and see what they're doing with it?
Yeah, obviously using the chatham rules was great to not quite, you know, don't tell who they are, but we're talking and open and honest, you know, without any restriction.
But it's actually just the conversations you have when you're outside of the formal presentations that I think have been the most valuable.
I think that's the best part about the independence of this group, that everyone is just sharing their knowledge in a really open and collaborative way to make sure that we're better for everyone.
That independence means that everyone can be really free with what they're saying, and they can really be open to the problems that they're trying to solve.
The best part of the event, right, is to hear how others are applying some of these new features and releases into their operations, how they're thinking about innovating and using analytics, AI, automation throughout their customer experience workloads. I've learned so much. A great event.
People love that interaction, yeah? And I think that's what makes this different to everything else. Is the other conferences you might go to, you tend to sit in a theatre style and you look at the screen and you don't necessarily talk to the person you're sitting next to. Mm-hmm. Whereas actually we want people to talk to each other. And that's where we learn, and the feedback I get is just phenomenal.
What was your highlight of the day?
Well, probably a little bit biased and sort of it's you, but I mean the Operata thing was pretty good. It was good, and that's actually what triggered me to come here, because I saw an update on John Mitchum's thing to come to that they were coming. So,
what was your highlight for the day?
The fact that people come together. One of the key things is that we do these roundtable conversations, and when it's difficult to stop the conversation is a really good thing, yeah?
I don't know why we did, to be honest.
Yeah.
And then probably the real highlight was there was a guy called Luke that did a presentation towards the end, and he was amazing.
Really? What was your highlight?
I think for me, just learning about the AI capabilities of AWS and how to implement them was something it was a lot further down the track than I thought we were with AWS. Considering where we are as an organization implementing AI.
Well, speaking of new features, iExceed's new Iris looks amazing. I mean, wow.
Thank you for that. Really appreciate it. Yes, so one of the things about Amazon Connect is it offers lots of flexibility and capability. And that flexibility and complexity can sometimes be intimidating to customers. So iris.ixceed.ai is a support channel for users to get operational support and technical guidance on how to leverage some of the features of Amazon Connect.
Now, you're doing some really interesting stuff, particularly in the AI space with Amazon Connect. How is that playing out?
We're really trying to use AI to help build capability of human agents rather than trying to replace agents as such, yeah? So the opportunity in Connect is really to assess customer interactions in a different way that helps drive capability.
I love that, and just different insights than what we see at Operata, which is really cool.
It is about bringing people together and people seeing value in what we're trying to do. And when you see people go away and, you know, they've got things to take away, they've got ideas because they've learned something from somebody else, is just so powerful.
And are you coming back?
But it's my plan. Yeah, I think the debate is it Melbourne or Sydney? So
Come
what's
on.
this space?
Come on. It's always Melbourne, but I'll go to Sydney for you.
Right. Okay. I appreciate that.
Yeah. It's been amazing. Thanks so much. I'm glad your highlight was Operata. And until next time. And as always, hooroo.
Yeah. Oodaloo.